Ever since the problems experienced by Southern Cross dominated the news headlines over the summer, the issue of residential care of older people has been in the news. Partly for that reason, the Health and Social Care Committee of the National Assembly has decided to hold an inquiry into residential care services for older people here in Wales. We are interested in hearing people's views any time between now and Christmas. We are interested in the number of people who need residential care services in Wales, and particularly in how that decision was made. We want to look at services that were available to people before they made that decision, and we're interested in the quality of residential care services once people have decided to go into a residential care home. As well as looking at the present situation, we'll also be taking an interest in the future. We'll be thinking about how these services can be funded in Wales. We have more older people in Wales than any other part of the United Kingdom. And we'll also be interested in different models that there may be out there for services for older people of this sort. We are very keen to hear from anybody in Wales who has an experience of this sort of care or views about its future. We hope that you'll get in touch with us and help us to carry out what we hope will be a very important inquiry.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.